Welcome to Upstart Plus. In this video, I will show you how to insert a table of contents in Word automatically. To do that, open a Word document. It should have headings because headings will be converted to table of contents. From the tab at the top, select References. Place your cursor at the appropriate place and then select Insert Table of Contents from the left side. Blank table of contents section will appear at this spot where your cursor was. So it says this document doesn't have any headings. To add headings to your table of contents, go to Home, Styles. We have these headings in our document. So we'll select a heading and apply a style to it. To do that, click Home tab. There we have styles for the heading. Let's choose this style. And then we will repeat for all the headings in our document. Same style. Now hover over to the table of contents section and click Update icon. And there we have it. Emerging technologies, impact on society, and preparing for the future. One thing to note that if page number change or headings change, we have to update the table of contents again to reflect the changes. Let's move the second heading below and click Update. And see now it reflects page number 2. And for this, let's move it to page 3 and then update table of contents by clicking the update icon, and it's changed to page 3. Now I am using cloud version of Microsoft Word. If you have license for the Microsoft Word, you will be able to update this heading style and customize look and feel of table of contents. Right now we have these options. We can show or hide page numbers. We can customize this line style. We can show or hide heading links. Basic stuff. But with the licensed copy of Microsoft Word, you can do much more. You can control full look and feel of table of contents and the heading styles. But this is how you can apply automatic table of contents to Word document. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.